what's up guys? Mr. Greek 2002. In today's video guys, I'm actually showing you the 3 new merchandise from Tim Hortons times Justin Bieber. That's right, the TimBiebs merch collection. So starting off, here's the actual TimBiebs beanie slash toque. You got a nice Tim Hortons times Justin Bieber logo there, the TimBiebs logo. There's a tag on the other side. Looking in the beanie, it's a regular beanie. Next I have the TimBiebs fanny pack. The nice corduroy brown color. Look at that detail. It looks so magnificent. Nice TimBiebs logo in front. Couple of zippers. And then another one back here. Turn around. That's the back of it. It's got the Tim Hortons times Justin Bieber logo. It does have nothing. And it has like a nice opener there to open it up. And you can also adjust the strap to make it longer or shorter. Let's go ahead now and open it up. So now I have it open. There's the inside of it. It has a nice liner in it. Nice brown liner. And there's no pockets, just one big pocket. Next one. That's what it looked like. Same idea. And the front one. Same basic thing. You guys can see. That's pretty much the same. Okay. And there it is. There's the actual label there. And the front of the label. Absolutely wonderful, guys. Next. And last, but certainly not least, the actual tote bag. Okay, it says Tim Hortons, TimBiebs, wonderful. And then in the corner there, it's got the same logo, Tim Hortons times Justin Bieber. And then on the back of it, there's nothing. Inside it has 2 handles to hold it with. And here is the actual label. Okay. And the back of it, wonderful. And inside the bag, there's nothing really in there, just a regular bag. So there you have it, guys. This is the 3 new merchandise from the TimBiebs Tim Hortons times Justin Bieber collection. Go ahead, guys, and get yours today. I'm sure they're going to sell out fast. The prices of them are all the same. They are all $29.99 each, plus applicable taxes. Please, guys, drop a huge like on this video, share and subscribe. Take care, have a good day, and I'll see you guys on another video.